Hello morning students. Today we'll start exercise 3.1 question number 2. First already we have solved. Let us read the question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So check it out. In this question we are talking about what? We are talking about the cost of bat and cost of ball. So we'll suppose. See, always whenever we suppose age na, we suppose present age. But when we suppose cost, we suppose cost for one item. So here we are talking about the bat and ball. So we suppose let the cost of one bat rupees X, cost of one ball rupees Y. From first sentence we'll have first equation. Coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 ball. Cost of one bat is rupees X. So cost of 3 bat will be 3X. And cost of one ball is rupees Y. So cost of 6 ball will be 6Y. So this is the total cost. Cost of 3 bat and 6 balls. Total cost. So 3X plus 6Y equals to 3,900. See, whenever we write linear equation 2 variable, if all the numbers are divisible by any particular number, then you can divide it directly, like 3, 6, 3,900. All are divisible by 3. So we'll divide 3 1 za, 3 2 za 6, 3 13 za. So we'll have 1x plus 2y equals to 1,300. So this is our first equation. Now read second sentence. It will give us second equation. Later she buys another bat and 3 ball. Another bat and 3 balls for rupees 1,300. See, another bat, that means one bat. That already we have. How many ball? 3 ball. Cost of one ball is rupees Y. So 3 ball will be rupees 3Y. And sum is how much? 1,300. So here second equation is also formed. Now what we'll do? We want to draw graph. So we'll find out coordinates for both the equations. Let us find out coordinates. So first equation is x plus 2y equal to 1,300. As I told you, always make subject to that variable which have coefficient 1. Here x have coefficient 1, no coefficient given, that means we'll assume 1. So if I want to make x subject, I must have to shift 2y towards left hand side. So I will get x equal to 1,300 minus 2y. Now as I told you, whatever variable you are having towards right hand side, that value you have to take. So I will take value of y. So always take value of y either 1, that means here value of y, no doubt you can take any number, but always remember one thing, this all thing you have to represent on the graph. ग्राफ के ऊपर रिप्रेजेंट भी करना है। अगर मैंने यहां पर 1 लिया, बराबर, चेक करो 1 अगर मैं लेता हूं तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है। लिया एक बात तो भूल ही गए, हम पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं ना, वो सॉल्व करने का नहीं भूलना है आपको, सॉल्व करना है, क्योंकि आप जब सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि ये दोनों लाइनें कहां इंटरसेक्ट होगी, वो हमारा आंसर होगा। विल सॉल्व बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड, बहुत इजी है। राइट बोथ इक्वेशन वन आफ्टर अनदर। See, in exam you don't have to show the solution, it is just for our reference. X plus 2y equal to 1300 and x plus 3y equal to 1300. Let us change the sign. Let us change the sign. Minus 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 cancel. Plus minus minus 3 minus 2 1 by greater number sign, plus minus minus, so y going to be 0. ठीक है, तो दिस इंडिकेट व्हाट, कि आपको दोनों में y की एक वैल्यू 0 तो लेनी ही है, क्योंकि ये y इक्वल टू 0 पे हमारे ग्राफ इंटरसेक्ट होंगे। ठीक है, तो राइट x प्लस 2y, shift this 2y, so x will be 1300 minus 2y. Now first I will take y equal to 0. So x going to be 1300 minus 2 into 0. 1300 minus 0, x will be 1300. So now what do you think, what next value of y we should take? अगर मैं 1 लेता तो 1 2 are 2, 1300 minus 2 तो 1298। बहुत ऑड लगता है रिप्रेजेंट करना, तो एक काम देखो, वैल्यू भी आप जब भी लो ना तो आपको देखने का कि ये है वैल्यू, ये तो हमें लेनी ही है, उसके जो भी आप वैल्यू चूज करते हो वो ग्राफ पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करो वो भी सोचने का। ठीक है, तो देखो यहां पर 1300 ये नंबर बड़ा है, तो अगर मैं यार राउंड फिगर लूं तो कंफर्टेबल रहेगा, यानी 10 20 30 या 100 200 वो भी कंफर्टेबल रहेगा, है ना। सो लेट अस टेक y इक्वल्स टू 100, it depend on you, you can take 10 also. If I take y equal to 100, I will get x equal to 1300 minus 2 instead of y 100, 1300 minus 200, so here x will be 1100. How much it will be? 1100. Now we'll take y equals to 200. If I take y equal to 200, I will get x equal to 1300 minus 2, y is 200. 1300 minus 400 will have 900. So here we have table of this first line, x, y. For x equal to 1300, y 0. For x 1100, y 100. For x equal to 900, y will be 200. So here we have solved first equation. Now we'll find out coordinate of the second equation. Shift this. X will be 1300 minus 3y. So first we'll take, see anyhow this value so we have to take. So x will be 1300 minus instead of y 0. So it will be 1300. Then now what we'll do? Same way, we'll take round figure. That means 100. So x will be 1300 minus instead of y 100. So 1300 minus 300. The value of x will be 1000. Now take y equals to 200 in this equation. So x will be 1300 minus, instead of y will take 200. So x will be 1300 minus 3 into 200, 600. So x will be 700. For x 1300 is 0. For x 1000 y 100. For x 700 y is 200. Okay. So now we are having coordinate for both the lines. Go through it, then we'll draw the graph. Go through it. Let us draw the graph. To draw the graph will require coordinates. So 4. For this line we are having coordinates this. For this line x equal to we are having coordinates 1300, 1000, 700. Let us draw the graph. Y-axis, x-axis, x. See, x is maximum 1300, है ना? So here we can take a gap of 100, and y is maximum 200. So here either you can take gap of 10, even you can take gap of 20 also, है ना? It will do. देखो ऑलवेज स्केल है ना, या तो 1 लो या तो डायरेक्ट 10 के मल्टीपल में. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 आपको जो अच्छा लगे वो 100, 200, 300 वो भी ले सकते हो आप, राउंड फिगर। लेकिन कभी भी 2, 5 ये सब कम लेने का, ठीक है, कंफर्टेबल नहीं रहता है हमें। सो विल टेक y axis is maximum 200, so we'll take scale of 20. Okay, 20, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Origin. On the x-axis 100. Though we don't have negative numbers, write one negative unit, minus 20. Okay, let us draw the graph of this line. X 1300, y 0. So this is the x-axis. See, whenever we are having any coordinate 0, don't take care of it. Whatever coordinate we have, just represent. 0 नहीं, 0 है, देखने की जरूरत नहीं है। क्या है हमारे पास x 1300, तो x एक्सिस पे जहां 1300 है वहां रिप्रेजेंट कर दो x एक्सिस 1300, मैंने 1000 तक ही लिखा। Okay, x 1300, y 0. So here on the x-axis we have 1300, x 1000, y 100. X-axis 1000, y-axis 100. Here. Here. हम ये लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, ये वाली कर देते हैं पहले। x 700, y 200. x एक्सिस 700, y एक्सिस 200. Let us join this all 3 points. Just a minute. I am writing all the coordinates once again so that we can get a straight line. Okay. See, here we have line x 1300 y 0. Here it is x 100, x 1000 y 100. On the x axis 1000, y 100, x 700 y 200. On the x axis 700 and y 200. Okay. So this line is of the equation x equals to 1300 minus 3y. Now this one, x 1300 y 0 over here only, x 1100 y 100, x axis 1100 and y axis 100. X 1100 and y 100. Here x 900 y 200, x axis 900, y axis 200. So here we have point. Join these all points together. So this line and this line is of don't worry, whenever you will draw on the graph paper ना you will get a straight line. क्योंकि मेरे यूनिट्स थोड़े बराबर प्रॉपर नहीं आ रहे, इसकी वजह से थोड़ी लाइन टेढ़ी आ रही है. ठीक है, गो थ्रू इट. Clear? So let us end this lecture over here. Bye. Have a safe day.